Hello, this is going to be an unboxing of the one of those like exercise machine. It's called the DIENSPEAK. So I already kind of opened it, but I just want to show you that how it's going to look like. It's using styrofoam, and here's where the remote control is, and that is the adapter. And it's nicely packaged, but I mean nowadays they still use styrofoam, which is rare. It's from China, so there's a plastic bag that wraps the unit in there, and it's definitely made by the brand DIENSPEAK. Alright, so it seems pretty cool. It's not too heavy. Maybe 2 pounds or so. Let's see the box outside. Oh, it says gross weight is 10 pounds. Okay. And yeah, it is from this one brand name. And it just shipped from Amazon.